Torah Kuf Mem 140 in the Kutimara. It says in Eov, Job, Yad Kol Adam Yachtoim Ladas Kol Anshi Masev. That in the hand of every person he signs, so that every person knows his deeds. That's what it says, and now Rabbainu is going to explain this verse. The tzaddik, the righteous, holy man, it is impossible to really understand him. You have no grasp in him. He's above our intelligence. Just by the followers of the tzaddik, a person could start to understand the level of the actual tzaddik. Because when you see his followers, they're big Nanachs, full of good deeds, fear of heaven, perfection. And with them, with the followers, you could understand what they're about. Because the rest of the world aren't too distant from the followers. As they are distant from the tzaddik himself. Okay, therefore whoever wants the truth, it is possible for him to know by looking at the followers of the tzaddik. This is like a seal. What's written in the seal, you can't read it because it's inverted. Nachma shows you but only through hitting the seal and forming the seal in wax, then you could see the letters and the pictures that are engraved on the seal. And understand what's written on the seal. That's what it says in the verse in Eyar. And the hand of every man he seals. The tzaddik is called kol adam, every man. Like we find in the verse in Koheles, that's Eselesides or something like that. Kizeh kol adam. That the tzaddik is kizeh kol adam. That's talking about person, the tzaddik. It's called kol adam. So that's what it says in the verse. V'yad kol adam yachtom. In the hand of the tzaddik, he is the seal. Ladas kol anshi maseu. So that to know every person his deeds. Meaning, the anshi ma'aser shel tzaddik. The kol anshi maseu, the deeds of the followers, the anshe ma'aser, the men of action that are following the tzaddik. So tzaddik tuchaleit also, you could know what the tzaddik is about. Like the seal. And we also find that tzaddik is actually called the chosim. It has the aspect of a seal. And his progeny were sealed in the sign of the holy covenant. The tzaddik commanded not to breathe, and the tzaddik is the one that guards the covenant. So that's what it says in Eov, in Chok. That in the hand of the tzaddik, who's the seal, that's how do you know what that seal is about, what the tzaddik is about. Ladas kol anshe maseu. You look at the followers, at their actions. So get into Nanach, Nachman, MeUman, and find out what Rabbainu is about.